Hiya, welcome to Easy English.
We are today not in England but in Germany, and we want to show you a typical German Christmas market.
Woohoo! So Easy, where are we?
We are in Münster, in my hometown, visiting my family.
And what are we doing today?
We are going to a German Christmas market.
Lovely. Easy, we made it to Münster Town Centre.
It's packed.
It's packed and it's freezing. However, you've got, how many layers have you got on?
4.
What's,
You have 5, right?
I have 5, and I've also got this electrical hand warmer. I'm ready for a German adventure.
Okay, should we go into this?
Yeah, let's enter the Christmas market.
Yay!
Ooh, let's go. Okay, before we get started with this week's episode, I want you all to stick around right to the end because we at Easy English have a really special announcement for our members.
Yes.
Easy, explain what we're looking at right now in the background.
Yeah, so you can eat a lot of things on German Christmas markets. Here we see this big green sign Blumenkohl, which is cauliflower. And I think there you can also get mushrooms and corn cobs. Corn cobs?
Corn on the cob.
Corn on the cob. And you get like cauliflower with like sauces over cheese, filled mushrooms. And basically on Christmas markets you get everything. You get fries, you get Bratwurst, German Bratwurst, currywurst. We need to see if we get a vegan, vegetarian option for this. You get sweetie stuff, you get all kind of like Christmassy biscuits. Lebkuchen is a thing. It's a kind of gingerbread, I suppose. Did you ever have it?
Possibly.
Possibly. I don't know, I don't like it, so maybe you didn't have it. Then you obviously get all the malt wines. You nowadays also get all other alcoholic drinks hot, like hot Aperol, hot caipirinha, mojito, whatever, hot cocktails. And yeah, you can eat a lot. You can even eat like candy floss, everything really, churros, everything that is naughty.
Sounds good. Let's get something hot. I've got cold fingers.
Yes. We're getting cash, a thing that in Germany still exists.
Wow.
We're getting 2 Glühwein, 1 red, 1 white. Let's go out of. Okay, so I got, here they are, 2 Glühwein, 1 red, 1 white, and now we have to try. I think this is white, they both look the same.
That's what it's about, right? This is what German Christmas markets are all about. No? You just told me that there's a better store directly behind us now that's selling mulled gin and stuff, no?
So I went for the malt wine because I couldn't find anything better. But actually behind us now we have malt gin, we have, is it malt gin or hot gin?
Hot booze.
Hot Hugo. Hugo is
Hugo.
sparkling wine with elderflower syrup.
We should have waited.
We should have, well, now this is the first and then we go for more. Yeah, you start with the bad drink.
Oh, yeah.
Good. I don't know if that's your
Our motto for life.
What would you like to eat?
Also something hot, preferably. Something savoury, actually. What options are there? What savoury options are there?
They do chestnuts. Like,
On an open fire.
yeah, like baked chestnuts, I
Baked
guess.
chestnuts.
Fries, all kind of sausage stuff. We are in Germany.
Yeah,
and
I
I
can
don't
see
think...
mashed potato going on over
Oh
there.
yeah, Reibekuchen. Reibekuchen is basically grated potato.
Oh yeah, should we get that? Is that what that is over there?
Yeah, put together with probably eggs or so, and then you make it a flat something, and you fry it in a lot of... Well, basically everything is fried.
Oh, so German.
Yeah.
And delicious.
Yeah. It's probably also... A lot of food is probably also what you can find on English.
It's all stuff which would go down very well with other Brits, I think. Fried potato is...
Beige
Can you
food.
ever go wrong, really?
And sausage.
Surprise winner at Christmas.
I would not buy a lot of stuff on a Christmas market. It's basically all overpriced things. You can
Yeah.
obviously find a lot of gifts, like handmade stuff.
Oh yeah. Lots of wooden, sculpted accessories. Like bottle
Yeah,
openers.
it's like things you bring back home for someone, like little gifts. You always know what they sell. If they sell alcohol, it's crowded. If they sell food, it's half crowded. If they sell everything else, it's empty.
It's basically empty. Okay, let's go explore a bit more. Maybe we get some Reibekuchen. Easy, we've achieved our goal of buying Reibekuchen.
Reibekuchen and a fat paper to get the grease off.
It looks a bit like a hash brown,
It is a bit like a hash brown.
like someone stood on it.
Can I try?
Yeah.
The German is happy.
Hot wine and a squished hash brown. Do you think all of these products, such as the mulled wine and the Reibekuchen, would not taste as good if it wasn't an absolutely freezing minus cold day?
They do taste better, don't they? I think it's also okay. This always tastes. This not.
Yeah. Bon appetit. Well done for sticking it out to halfway through the episode. If you stick around for the other half, then you'll get to hear our very special announcement.
Very special.
Keep going, you're almost there. Isa, you're double handling some glühwein, and
Yeah.
then you just noticed there's a cool store behind us, which
Wow.
you didn't mention.
Yeah,
Cool or not cool?
I did mention that there are sweets here, but you will find a lot of those kind of stalls where you
Yeah.
find popcorn, candy floss,
I
filled.
can get candy cane. It looks like candy canes. Like
Candy
like
cane.
walking sticks made out of sweets.
Exactly. Waffles filled with stuff, basically like all marshmallowy stuff.
Yeah.
Those cheesy hearts, where it says like "my love" or "my honey bunny" or something like that. Yeah. So basically everything you find on a fair,
Yeah.
kind of those things.
Does everyone sort of like pre-book an appointment with their dentist before they come to German
Yeah,
market?
you have to. Yeah. There's a fight happening soon, I think.
Oh, really?
People are getting more drunk, so now people are getting loud,
Here we go.
and then you just see like.
Attacked by a candy walking stick. You have to put down some money for your glühwein cup.
Yeah, we have
So
to
if
bring
you-
those back. It's probably €8 together.
So if you lose it, you're gonna get
They think that they are so pretty that you take them home. That's why they put a lot of money on it.
Show one.
And now look at it. And it's like Merry Christmas, which is right the other way
It sort
around.
of looks. Can it turn it back around again? It sort of looks like he's running away with it. Elderflower and wine.
Yeah.
I like eggnog.
I have never in my life had eggnog.
No, let's do it. Let's have
Ever.
eggnog.
No.
We're going in for round 2, right?
Yeah, but I don't know. Eggnog is raw egg, or? That's disgusting. No, I don't want that.
What is groggy? Do you know what grog is? Oh, thank you.
Ohne mein Gesicht.
Okay, let's bring this. How much more time do we need?
Easy. We both can't feel our toes.
This is not working. My toes are not
pour it onto your
feelable.
toes.
I don't feel my toes.
we were going to try and get something sweet to show people sweet German Christmas market food, but
Then we both decided we want to go back to the
we
Reibekuchen.
want more Reibekuchen. Can't deny the pull of tasty fried
Yeah,
potato.
maybe after that we want sweet.
Or more Reibekuchen.
Guilty. Got more Reibekuchen.
Sweet golden nectar. It has the same effect as like drunken kebab food.
It does. It's just greasy as peep.
We said we were going to go home, but we're currently in the line for churros.
That's what it's all about, isn't it?
Here we go. What were our choices?
Nutella, Oreo, Snickers, Bounty, sugar, cinnamon sugar, strawberry sauce, caramel sauce, normal chocolate, white chocolate. What do you want?
All. Let's go.
We'll be fried ourselves later.
Fat Thursday.
It's Fat Thursday, isn't it?
And yeah.
I thought you get two, but that's a lot, isn't it?
Oh, they look great.
Yummy, yummy, yum, yum. Wow. They're really good.
How close is this episode to what you experienced when you were a child?
I never had churros as a child.
Really?
It's kind of a new thing in the last 10 years, I think.
But Reibekuchen? Yeah.
Mulled wine.
Yeah. So thanks for watching our brand new vlog episode. Easy, thanks for giving me a tour of a traditional German Christmas market.
I hope you don't get stomach pain from all the crazy food.
I can't feel any of my body anymore. I'm so frozen. So
I'm also very frozen.
let's go.
So yeah, thank you for coming with us. And we want to say, or make a little announcement.
Yeah.
If you want to become a member of Easy English, then this is the right time to do it. Because
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Because everyone who in January becomes a member will be part of our big pub quiz that is happening in February.
Online pub quiz that
Yes.
you're all invited to if you're a member before the end of January. End
For
of
the
January.
And yeah, we'll do a big pub quiz online. The two of us host it. We have beers together, drinks together. We prepare some really good questions.
Yeah, we'll try to create sort of an online pub,
Pub
atmosphere. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And yeah, we hope you will all be there. We cannot wait to get to know you better. And of course, it's also for our already members. So yeah,
Also-
it will be already members and new members, and we can't wait to meet you all.
Yeah, and it doesn't matter if you decide to become a video, podcast, or donor member.
All members.
Yeah, all members are invited, and you'll be receiving
party.
a link.
A big party.
A great big party. It'll be nice to get to know all of you, and yeah, thanks to say thank you for supporting us.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas.
Have a nice Christmas.